Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on or turn off enhanced notifications in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to notifications and here select enhanced notifications. It is already turned on. If you would like to turn off enhanced notifications, just turn off this button so that enhanced notifications will not be given in your phone. Enhanced notification means suggested actions replies to the notifications you receive. Okay. So here I have turned off enhanced notifications. Hereafter no suggestions will be given on the notifications content. Okay, suppose if you want to have really enhanced notifications, just you go to turn on this button so that some suggestions replies will be automatically showing under the notifications. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.